The vehicle was on, but there wasn't any indication that it was a drive. He did fall asleep. Yes, the police officers woke him up. He had bloodshot eyes. Or if you're sleeping, you wake up and your eyes are gonna be.
Of course.
They, bloodshot and, the speech, yeah, sure, they said. The speech was a little slow. You're just waking up.
No, I understand. Well, I hear what you're saying, Mr. Reyes. However, that vehicle got there somehow, some way. And seems to be an indication that he was driving before he decided to pull over. And he's being charged with the offense with driving while intoxicated. So I understand what he's saying. I appreciate that he pulled over to be safe. However, it sounds like he was the sole occupant on the vehicle. And so the vehicle had to get there somehow. So I have to believe that he was driving when he decided to pull over. So as far as probable cause is concerned, the court just needs reasonable suspicion based on the totality of the circumstances. So I'm going to continue with probable cause.
Sounds great.
All right, thank you.
Thanks,
Yeah,
bud.
all right. Have a seat, Mr. Alanis. Appreciate that. Okay. Yeah. Millie, on page 18, Robinson, Court Point, and also McGowan on page 15, Court Point. Thank you. And Millie, I'm getting ready to leave to go across the hall.
Oh, you're ready?
No, but
She said she was gonna send me a message.
all right. Can you just let her on? Because you told me around 11:15.
Okay,
Do you want to call or just?
that's fine.
Yeah, just call and just see if they still need me out.
Please. Coming
Oh,
up.
yeah, okay, no, we'll take care of that one first.
Okay.
But if you don't mind, just kind of checking.
Yes, John. Oh, okay.
Yeah, we got it. I just reset. I'm gonna just reset the deal thing for dog on this list, but I haven't gotten hold of it. But it says with that. It's that's not. It's in the border. Like, up in the yard.
Okay, all right. So I have a plea coming out, right, Teresa? A jail plea? Okay.
Well, probably go down.
I think that's.
Oh, I gave this one.
Without just, discussing, it's treated back here.
Right.
Judge, she said 11:50, 11:30.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, you're welcome.
I messed up. I messed up. I want to read it. But based on what
Okay.
Yeah.
Take my time.
Yeah. Whenever it is mentioned, that's the worst. It was something.
Here, 1 second, let me pull this up.
You ready before you start?
Yes, sir.
I just gonna give you a little bit of information, maybe a docket entry.
Okay,
It's whenever you're ready.
I'm ready.
So Mr. Jacobs has the two misdemeanor cases, as you know.
I see that.
He also has the two felony cases.
Yes.
And there's the parole at Louisiana. So we discussed the fact that if you accept the plea, the assault's been dismissed, the VPO's 90 credit 56.
Right.
Will resolve these two cases.
Correct.
So there won't be anything else he has to deal with from misdemeanors. Obviously, they could affect the felony cases in different ways, just that the cases there. I also went over everything with him about the fact that he's on parole. The parole offense and the parole happen after these cases, which comes. So
I see.
we don't think that should have any effect on this, just
Right.
because simply just when they happen.
Right, exactly.
You know, if these, if parole should happen before these things, not like that.
But it's happened afterwards, right? Got it. Okay, so Mr. Jacobs, I do want to let you know you're being charged with two offenses in this court. You're being charged with the offense of assault and you're being charged with the offense of violation of protective order. The state is dismissing your assault case and we're going to resolve your violation of protective order case. Now, as your attorney, Mr. DeLuca, Mr. DeLeaf had mentioned, you are on parole and you also have two other cases in felony courts, two other felonies. This particular case may or may not have an effect on your parole. Chances are it probably will not have an effect on your parole. I think the felony cases are more serious regarding your parole than these misdemeanor cases, okay? But we just wanted to let you know, okay?
You were gonna say something.
Yeah, look, I'm gonna say, actually, like, I just got out of prison on the 14th. Like, I'm just getting off the road, so it ain't gonna affect anything like
Yeah,
that.
I don't think so, yeah.
It's not
Okay.
gonna go to court this time for extradition purpose, so they already knew I was coming in.
Okay, got it. Okay, so you're good. Now, these two cases will be done today. You'll be finished with these two cases today, but you still have your other two cases in felony court that you need to resolve. But the two misdemeanor cases that you have will be finished and done today.
Yeah, so it will be in the system today.
Yes, sir. It'll be in the system. Mhm.
You don't have to bond on them.
Yes,
You're
you
not,
don't-
you're not coming back there.
You don't have to do anything. You don't have to come back. It'll be completely done. Okay. All right. So, Mr. Jacobs, you're charged with the offense of violation of a protective order. That is a class misdemeanor, which means that you can be sentenced to up to 1 year in the county jail and you can be given a maximum fine of up to $4,000. You signed some documents this morning. One of the documents that you signed is entitled misdemeanor plea of guilty. That document that you signed says you have certain constitutional rights. That document says that you have a right to have a jury trial. a right to confront any witnesses that may testify against you at that trial, and a right for your attorney to cross-examine those witnesses. However, when you sign that document, you give up all of those rights. Do you understand? Now, I do have to advise you, Mr. Jacobs, that under federal law, if you're not a U.S. citizen, a plea of guilty could result in your deportation, denial of naturalization, or admissions to this country. You also sign 2 other sets of documents. One of them says that after today, you do not have a right to appeal your case. Your case ends today. And the other document that you sign says after today, there's not going to be any more work or investigations done by your attorney or the attorneys for the state. Your cases, both of your cases are done today. Do you understand, sir? Now, Mr. Jacobs, did you sign all of these documents freely and voluntarily? Has anyone forced you to sign any of these documents? And has your attorney, Mr. DeLeaf, answered all of your questions that you have regarding your 2 cases? Mr. Jacobs, to the offense of violation of protective order, how do you plead, guilty or not guilty? Are you pleading guilty because you are? Mr. Jacobs, on your plea of guilty, the court finds you guilty of the offense of violation of protective order, assesses your punishment in 90 days in the county jail. You will be given credit for 56 days that you've already served. That's time served, no more jail time. Any court costs that you might owe to the county, I'm going to run it concurrent with your time, which means that you will not have to pay any money to the county. All right, sir, do you have any questions on anything I mentioned to you?
No, thank you.
You're welcome. Mr. DeLeaf, any questions? Mr. Jacobs, good luck to you, sir. Thank you. All right, thank you. All right. Okay. All right, thank you. Yes, sir, you pros coming up.
Yes, good morning.
Yes, sir, good morning, how are you?
I'm here with environmental.
Environmental, oh my God.
Hey, Judge. how are
It's a
you?
very serious offense, I'm sure. What is it? What you
Can't
got
leave
going?
it up, Judge.
Oh, yeah. Now, is that being handled by environmental now? Because I
It is.
understand, yeah, it used to not be, right? You used to have the DAs here in the court handle it.
Yeah, so I mean, it is handled by environmental. That being said, I'm the only environmental person.
Oh, you,
So-
the whole district attorney's office?
That
Really?
is correct.
Really? Oh, my God. All
And
right.
so a lot of times they'll end up standing in for me.
All right, who's it on?
Hernandez, Caminos.
All right, Hernandez. All right, let me see here. All right, so, well, have you gotten all your discovery, et cetera, in reference to your case?
They should have all discovery, Judge. It's all been released. I've already made an offer for a dismissal if they make a $300 donation to an environmental nonprofit.
But he's in custody though, right?
He is in custody. I believe the defense has spoken to his father,
Okay.
who said that they should be able to make that donation happen.
Has he got an ice hold?
He does have a nice little
Damn
jar.
it.
19 and 2.
Oh, he sure is, man. 19 years, oh, man.
And so that's why I made the.
Yeah, I
offer,
appreciate
and I
that.
said that once they make that donation, I will make sure the dismissal
Go through.
not only goes through, but the language is beneficial to them.
Okay, I
as far as the
appreciate that.
infraction standard, you know.
Well, unfortunately, the federal courts are going to decide what's going to happen. Either he has status or he doesn't. And, so unfortunately, once this is done, the case is dismissed, I expect that he's going to get picked up and go over to ICE, probably in Conroe. I think that's where they have. And then who knows what's going to happen there. Oh my God, that's sad. Okay. Well, how much time do you think your client needs the family to pay? That's fine. I don't mind setting it for a week. We can set it for long if you want.
No, we fine.
Okay, and then as long as it's paid,
You can spend
dismissal.
all off docket it.
Yeah, you can do an off-docket dismissal.
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay, you got it. I appreciate it. Thank you. You're welcome. Thank you. Oh, yeah, no worries. You're good to go. I mean,
Good seeing you, Judge.
you're good to see you. Take care. All right, thank you. All right. Yes, sir, Mr. Lee. In custody? Okay. What's the last name? I think I did. Let me make sure. Devon?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, he's good to go. Okay. up to 6 months in the county jail, and you can be given a maximum fine of up to $2,000. You signed some documents this morning. One of the documents that you sign is entitled misdemeanor plea of guilty. That document, sir, says that you have certain constitutional rights. That document says that you have a right to have a jury trial, a right to confront any witnesses that may testify against you at that trial, and a right for your attorney to cross-examine those witnesses. However, when you sign that document, you give up all of those rights. Do you understand, sir? All right. Now, I do have to advise you, Mr. Battle, that under federal law, if you're not a U.S. citizen, a plea of guilty could result in your deportation, denial of naturalization, or admissions to this country. You also signed 2 other sets of documents. One of them says that after today, you do not have a right to appeal your case. Your case ends today. And the other document that you signed says after today, there's not going to be any more work or investigations done by your attorney or the attorneys for the state. Your case ends today. Do you understand, sir? Mr. Battle, did you sign all of these documents freely and voluntarily?
Yes.
Anyone force you to sign any of these documents? And has your attorney answered all of your questions that you have regarding your case?
Yes.
Mr. Battle, to the offense of criminal trespass, how do you plead, guilty or not guilty?
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because you are.
Yes.
Mr. Battle, on your plea of guilty, the court finds you guilty of the offense of criminal trespass, assesses your punishment at 15 days in the county jail. You will be given credit for 5 days that you've already served. That's time served, no more jail time. Any court costs that you might owe to the county, I'm going to run it concurrent with your time, which means that you will not have to pay any money to the county. All right, sir. Any questions on anything I mentioned to you? Mr. Casanova, any questions? All right, sir. If you would step right in my left, and good luck to you, sir. Thank you. You're welcome. Thank you. Okay. All right. Millie? Oh,
Before you go.
no worries.
I need facts.
Okay, no worries.
Page 8 is not for me, but I don't know if
What's
it's for
that?
you. It's Diller. It's an MRP and it's a team
Deb-
chain.
Oh,
So he wants to hire the same attorney that